If you want to start bartending, this is literally everything you need to know about vodka. First things first, what is vodka? Vodka is a neutral distilled alcoholic spirit that is colorless, odorless, flavorless, and unaged. So basically, vodka is the most basic form of hard liquor that you can drink. Who created vodka? Both Poland and Russia claim to have invented vodka, and there's actually like a big historical feud about it. And instead of getting into all that detail, I'm just gonna leave a couple of video links down below. They may not be a perfect history, but it will give you a little bit more context of the feud between Poland and Russia when it comes to who created vodka. No matter who invented it, the creation of vodka can be traced back to the 9th century, and the first known distillery was in Russia in 1174. What is vodka made from? The Polish style of vodka is made from potatoes, and the Russian style of vodka is made from grain, more specifically rye and wheat. However, vodka can be made in any country with any agricultural product, as long as it uses the traditional method of production of vodka, and if it's used with any other ingredients, it has to be labeled on the bottle. How is vodka made? To make vodka, you take an agricultural product, then it goes through a process of fermentation and distillation passing through column stills. Then it's heavily filtered to take out any unwanted aromas and flavors, and then it's diluted with water to make it safe for us to drink. If you want more context in the process of fermentation and distillation for all spirits, you can check out this video that explains the process in very simple terms. What does vodka taste like? Even though one of the main characteristics of vodka is that it's flavorless, different types of vodka actually do taste different from one another, especially when sipped neat. However, in a cocktail, the flavor of vodka kind of just disappears. So if you're ever bartending and you get a customer that says they don't like the taste of alcohol, giving them a cocktail with vodka will probably be your best bet. Here are some examples of different brands of vodka and the ingredients used to make them. Vodkas made with rye, like Sobeski and Belvedere, will taste more dark and spicy. Vodkas made with wheat, like Absolute, Grey Goose, and Kettle One, will taste more sweet and soft. Vodkas made with potato, like Chopin, will taste more creamy, earthy, and full-bodied. Vodkas made with corn, like Tito's and Smirnoff, will taste more sweet, buttery, and rich. And vodkas made with grapes, like Ciroc, will taste more floral and perfume-like. Some more examples of vodka, like Finlandia, is made with barley, Haku vodka is made with rice, and you can also have mixed vodkas as well, like Stolichnaya that uses wheat and rye, and Hangar One that uses grapes and grains. There's also some experimental distilleries out there that are using some crazy ingredients, like apples, tulips, and even milk. Another thing about vodka is because it's a neutral spirit, vodka brands can actually play around with creating different flavored vodkas. Brands like Absolute and Smirnoff are some of the most popular brands that have a ton of flavored vodkas. When working behind the bar, you will most definitely see flavors of citrus vodka and vanilla vodka, and any other kinds of flavored vodkas will probably just be unique to your specific bar and what your bar chooses to carry and serve. Alright you guys, that's pretty much everything that you need to know about vodka to make you feel confident in your knowledge behind the bar and when talking to customers. I'll see you guys in my next video in the series where we're going to be talking about gin. Stay fly!